Ever found yourself scratching your head wondering why the network has suddenly stopped functioning? It's a common scenario and one that can be resolved with a systematic approach. Identifying and isolating the issues to restore network functionality. First and foremost, it's crucial to identify the symptoms. Understand and document the specific issues reported by users or observed on the network. Is the issue widespread or is it affecting specific devices, users, or areas? For more assistance, contact us on +2 5411 3597599. Don't forget to check physical connections. All cables, connectors, and physical hardware should be properly connected. Keep an eye out for any signs of damage or loose connections. Power and hardware status are also important. Make sure networking devices such as routers, switches, and modems have power and are operational. Look out for any indicator lights or error messages on the devices. Next, review the configuration settings of network devices, including routers, switches, and firewalls. Check for misconfigurations, incorrect IP addresses, subnet masks, gateways, and DNS settings. Utilize basic network utilities like ping to test connectivity between devices. Where is the connection failing? That's where the focus should be. Check DHCP and IP assignments. Ensure that DHCP is functioning correctly and assigning IP addresses to devices. Verify that devices have the correct IP addresses, subnet masks, and default gateways. Firewall and security settings should be inspected. Review firewall settings on routers and individual devices. Look for any security policies or access control lists that may be blocking traffic. Network logs can provide valuable insight. Check the logs of networking devices for error messages or unusual activity. These entries can provide valuable information about the nature of the issue. Divide and conquer. Isolate the problem by dividing the network into segments and testing connectivity within each segment. This can help identify whether the issue is localized to a specific device, subnet, or area. Ensure that networking equipment has the latest firmware updates. Update network-related software on devices to address known issues. Consider the network's overall traffic and bandwidth usage. Identifying and addressing any congestion or bottlenecks can significantly improve network function. Network documentation can be a lifesaver. Refer to it to understand the network topology and device configurations. If the issue involves external connections, engage with your internet service provider or relevant service providers for assistance. Before making significant changes, back up device configurations to ensure you can revert to a known state if needed. Lastly, if the issue persists and you are unable to identify or resolve it, consider seeking assistance from network professionals or vendors. Remember, troubleshooting network issues can be complex and patience is crucial. Carefully document the steps you take and any changes made during the process to aid